Hello and welcome to NORAD4U.com. Hello and welcome, Amir Borstein from NORAD4U.com. Today I'm going to show joint mode on the ENV RD100. This is a new meter went out in March 2025. I was part of the development and the requirement and the testing of this meter, and I'm also selling it on my store site. The meter has RF, low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric, and it has a joint mode in which you can see all of them together on the same display. I hope you can see. Focus. Here. So what is it good for? The meter is real time, of course, and joint mode is good for scanning in house. Instead of scanning in house once in RF, once in low frequency magnetic, once in low frequency electric, you put it in joint mode and you scan the house once. You can identify all the sources in low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric, and also in RF if there are any, and it takes half the time or even less to do it together instead of doing each one of them separate. So I'm gonna now scan my house, my ground floor, the ground floor of my house, which has no RF emissions, no RF transmissions, no RF sources. There's minimum RF coming in from the window, and then the next part of the video will be in another person's house when there are RF sources, cell phone, Wi-Fi routers, smart TVs, and so on and so forth. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is my house. As you can see the RF, low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric fields on the meter in joint mode. I am walking into the house and scanning it, searching for sources. So far the RF is staying the same. The low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric almost doesn't change. This is my dog. She's really old. She doesn't radiate. Some people put RF tags on their dogs so they radiate. This is my entertainment station, TV, streamer, stuff like that, PC, all wiredly connected, no RF emitted. Some elevation in the electric field. Moving around, levels are kept very low, there's no RF transmissions. No RF coming in from the windows. I live in a low EMF environment. For now, at least it's low EMF. Hopefully it will stay that way. Moving to the other window. Sorry for the mess outside. And going back into the kitchen. This is the first floor. There's another one, but for this measurement I'm showing only the first floor. This is my PC arrangement, a laptop with external keyboard and mouse connected wirelessly to the internet. No RF, it's grounded, so no elevated LFE. This is the fish tank, some elevated LFE. I need to check the grounding on it. This is the refrigerator. It's a simple refrigerator, not smart, so no RF, but there is some elevated low frequency electric field. I will check that later. Water bar, some elevated low frequency electric field. And those are my Ninja devices, Ninja cooking devices, air fry ovens. They emit some elevated electric field, and I will now disconnect them from the power outlook, the power and the low frequency electric field just fell down to the normal background. This window is okay, no RF coming in. And now let's get close to the electric cabinet. Low frequency magnetic fields are going up, also electric field. I have here the filters, dirty electricity filters, and also the power switches. Okay, that's all. Now to the neighbor's apartment or house. It's right next to me. They enjoy the same low environment, EMF environment, but they have RF devices inside the house. As you can see, that was the router and the TV. The router is Wi-Fi, wireless. Along the house there are other hotspots and Bluetooth devices and all kinds of devices emitting RF. And you can see that the RF levels is going nuts, changing all the time. This is their Ninja elevated electric field. So I hope that you saw two things. One, you saw the difference between a house that is low RF, low radiation, like my house. There's no RF transmission inside the house, and you could see that the RF levels are kept down. The second thing that I hope that you saw is that the joint mode shows you three fields, three types of radiation: RF radiation, low frequency magnetic, and low frequency electric, all together on the same screen, which makes it much easier to scan the house, search for sources, and search for penetration points of RF coming into the house. The meter can be ordered from my website, store website, 4hsbyhs.com. We are sending worldwide. This meter was developed with my help. I wrote the requirements, I did the QA testing, I wrote the manual, so I'm feeling part of it, a part of the development. That's all. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.
Minimize the use of smartphones and wireless devices before the use will minimize you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.